The population of 7 billion worldwide owns approximately 1.5 billion cars. On average, a single vehicle consumes about 5 liters of fuel a day. In the case of gasoline engines, only 25 to 30% of the energy can be used as power. Approximately 70% of the remaining energy is released into the atmosphere as mechanical losses, exhaust gas, and heat. For this reason, a car supplied with the fuel wasted from 10 cars in a year would be able to circle the Earth over 3 times using the excess fuel. Carbon monoxide can cause a decline in cognitive function, decreasing reflex and drowsiness while operating a motor vehicle, which in turn causes unconsciousness and even death. Bicarbonate waste causes eye irritation, coughing, sneezing, drowsiness, and even headaches. Finally, nitrogen oxide increases susceptibility to infection, pulmonary edema, bronchitis, all of which induce pneumonia. Countries around the world have announced new criteria enhancing exhaust gas and fuel efficiency standards. Among them is the announcement made by the US EPA in March 2013. According to the API, on account of the expected time frame, the oil industry will have at least a facility cost of $10 billion and an additional cost of $2.4 billion. The automotive industry in the United States anticipates an additional cost of about $130 applied to each car in use because of this action alone. The United States is spending $12.9 billion to enhance their exhaust gas and fuel efficiency standards. This will allow the entire population of 7 billion people worldwide to be able to drink 1 bottle of clean water. 78% of drivers expect their cars to be driven over 10 years. Fuel consumption, output, exhaust gas, environment, car aging, repairs, maintenance fees, and ride comfort are all to be taken into consideration. Is there any way to minimize these problems caused by driving, as well as predict the expected maintenance period? There is a patent pending in South Korea regarding the product Ecotiger as a stabilizing water coolant used to induce peak performance improvement in the internal combustion engine, creating an environmentally friendly, highly concentrated mineral, hydrogen, and alkaline reducing addition engine. By applying this high enrichment technology, creating new minerals, materials, and hydrogen ion generating technology, it atomizes the molecular clusters in the cooling water. Furthermore, by inducing the formation of a magnetic field, it is expected to improve the combustion efficiency and allow an increase in the cooling effect. By generating a number of hydrogen ions whose specific heat is greater than that of an air and heat transfer, it allows the creation of a cooling system. In addition to the existing functions of a cooling system, Ecotiger also helped to improve the following: fuel economy, exhaust reduction, power-up ratings, car aging prevention, and environmentally friendly. I tested Ecotiger's function and eco-friendly effect from a gas station in Seoul to a gas station in Busan. I compared and checked the fuel efficiency, the amount of exhaust gases, and noise before and after Ecotiger injection. The car I tested is a Carnival. It has about 130 kilometers of mileage on it. The fuel efficiency in this car is 8 kilometers per liter. I filled this car to test the fuel efficiency in both Seoul and Busan. Driving. While driving to Busan, I ran an average of 2,000 RPMs. My average speed was 100 to 120 kilometers per hour. I kept a consistent driving speed. I arrived at the gas station in Busan and filled up the car again to test the gas mileage. I used 33 liters of fuel, while my total driving distance was 407 kilometers. The fuel efficiency was about 12 kilometers per liter before injection of Ecotiger. A vehicle emissions test was administered before the injection of Ecotiger. The acceptable level of the exhaust gas emission in Korea is 30%. The Carnival's results came back at 12%. Here are the noise measurements before the injection of Ecotiger. In the front of the car, the average decibel was 94. In the back of the car, the average decibel was 86. On the inside of the car, the average decibel was 93. For each injection of Ecotiger, you can drive a maximum of 30,000 kilometers before you need to inject your car with Ecotiger again. The brochure has more detailed directions for the use of Ecotiger. To get more efficient results, I continued driving for 30 minutes to test Ecotiger's performance. Before driving to Seoul, I filled up the gas tank to test the fuel efficiency. When I arrived at the gas station in Seoul, I had used 30 liters of fuel. My total driving distance was 407 kilometers. The average fuel efficiency while using Ecotiger was 14 kilometers per liter. We put the Carnival through an emissions test after using Ecotiger. The results show we had 7% of gas emissions. Here are the noise measurements after using Ecotiger. In the front of the car, the average decibel was 9. In the back of the car, the average decibel was 83. On the inside of the car, the average decibel was 87. After using Ecotiger, the fuel efficiency improved 2 kilometers per liter. The car went from 12 kilometers per liter to 14 kilometers per liter. And the gas emissions decreased 5% from 12% to 7%. The noise in the front decreased 5 decibels from 95 to 90. The noise in the back decreased 3 decibels from 86 to 83. The noise on the inside decreased 6 decibels from 93 to 87. This product will maximize the life expectancy of your car. It will also create an eco-friendly atmosphere for the rest of the world. Drive an eco-friendly car not only for yourself, but also for a better world tomorrow. Ecotiger.